Good day everyone. I am Chris Lawrence Piapas, 20 years old from British Mari, third year Delta, excuse me. So I will be giving you some explanation, proof, and illustration of the presence of supernatural being using tangible object that relates to a scientific finding about the universe's fine-tuned. Okay, so the universe appears fine-tuned. So many physical constants like gravity or the strength of forces fall within a very narrow range that allows stars, atoms, and life to exist. If these values were slightly different, the universe would be lifeless. So I have here's proof. I have here proof that science shows that the universe is finely tuned, but not. Why? One reasonable explanation is a supernatural intelligence that set these values intentionally, similar to how complex systems with precise settings usually come from a designer. This is not a laboratory proof, but a logical inference. So, I have here example. I have here an object. So, I have here a radio. In the radio, you need to adjust this one and find the right spot in order for you to hear music or someone is talking. You need to find the perfect spot in order for you to hear that music, or you need to find it. Just like the universe. The universe has its own settings. So the universe has its own settings, so must be incredibly precise for life. Just as clear music suggests someone tuned the radio, fine-tuning suggests a turner beyond the universe itself. So fine-tuning doesn't force belief in a supernatural being, but it gives a strong, rational reason to consider one. So, next is the next question is, I will be naming a faulty religious belief, and I will be using philosophical concepts and reasoning to briefly explain why you think it is untrue. Okay, here's one example. Um, that moral rules are good only because God commands them. So I will be explaining it in philosophically. So this faces the utopro dilemma. Either actions are good because God commands them, or God commands them because they are good. If the first morality becomes arbitrary, if the second morality exists independently of that God, either way, the belief fails to fully explain the basis of morality. And that's all. Thank you.